Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of X on all devices. This is especially useful if you've lost a device, are sharing your account, or just want to make your account secure. First of all, launch Open X application on your device and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're inside, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. In the expanded menu, click on Settings and Support. Now click on Settings and Privacy. On the next page, click on Security and Account Access. Now click on Apps and Sessions. You'll then see a list of devices currently logged into your account on the next page. On the next page, you will see the information when you logged into your account and apps you connected to the account. Click on Sessions. Now click on Log out of all other sessions on the next page. Click on Logout in the pop-up and then you'll successfully log out of X on all the devices. After logging out, you can get back to password and change it. This will automatically log you out of any other device that you've still logged into. So that's how you can easily and successfully log out of X on all devices. Doing this regularly helps protect your account and keep your personal information safe. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.